Bro, this beefy motherfucker, bro, just flew into my door and then dropped. Look at that fucking thing. I don't know if it's dead. Oh, you're alive, you're alive, you're alive. Look at that big ass bitch, bro. This big ass bitch still laying here, y'all. Bro, I'm standing out here. I can hear this motherfucker's wings flapping like he's a bird. He's smacked. I'm talking smacked. Hit the door like tink. And then dropped. Look at that motherfucker, man. Hello? Somebody let their pet fucking dragon out of their cage.